Hello first graders, welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 14, lesson 5, making real graph. As you know, for this topic we've been learning about graphs, real graph, picture graphs, bar graphs, and we also learn about telemarks. Today we will be learning how to use the telemarks to make real graph. So let's see. First, when you have a chart like that, the first thing we'll think about or see the title, what this chart talking about. So over here, favorite connecting cube colors tele chart. So this is the chart, this is the telemarks we learn about, and this chart talking about favorite connecting cubes, color cubes or cubes colors. So we have orange. As we know, we have 6 people chose orange as their favorite color. We have purple, we have 3 people, and then we have the yellow, we have 7 people. Remember, the telemarks, we know that each mark stands for one object or one item. So when we count, this is like 5, group of 5, and one more, 6. All right, so this is the first thing. We first ask about what this chart about, and then we also look at and say how many people chose each object or each color. So over here, favorite connecting cube colors of real graph. So this is the tele chart and this is the graph that we're gonna do. So I'm gonna look at orange. So orange cube, I know that I have 6 people chose orange. So here I have 2 choices. I can use my cubes if I have, and I can replace each cube in one box to get 6, or I can color and have fun and color my chart on my graph, or also I can even make shapes. If I don't have colors, I can make shapes. So I will do most. We're gonna do some coloring. We're gonna color some of the charts, and then we're gonna use the cubes for one, and then we can make shapes. So since this one's talking about colored cubes, so let's see if we can color the boxes. I know that I have here 6 people chose orange. That means I need to color 6 boxes. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, this is a tele chart and this is the real graph. I'm making a real graph. All right, let's see for purple how many. I have 3 people chose purple. So I'm gonna get my purple color and I'm gonna color 3 boxes as each one stand for one person. And then for the yellow, I have 7. I'm gonna get my yellow colors and I'm gonna color 7 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now as we see, this is what we did. This is a favorite connecting cube color real graph, and I color orange, purple, or yellow. Or I can, as I said, we can use our cubes if you have the cubes. If we don't have the cubes, we can color. If we don't even have colors, no problem. We can make different shape. We can make circle, triangle, and square. All right? Just have fun doing this fun activity. Let's turn the page. All right. Erica has some leaves. Does she have more red or green leaves? How many more? So remember, we agreed that the this tele chart or telemark always help you to find out how many you have, or how to count down, how to easily to compare. So now I know that Erica has 2 items, 2 different colors leaves. She has red and green. So in order to do this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the chart, and then we're gonna see how many more she had. Does she has more red or more green? So let's start. Erica has 2 groups of leaves, so she draws 2 rows. So this is how we're gonna do. This is the chart. This is the title or the name of the chart, Erica's leaves, and then we have the red leaves because that's the item she has. We have the red leaves and we have the green leaves. And then we're gonna count how many red leaves. So we're gonna draw in each box 1 box to replace or stand for 1 leaf. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here they draw 1, 2, 3, 4 red leaves. And then for the green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're gonna draw 6 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green leaves. Now when I have it in a chart like that, I can easily either count or compare. Now I can say that there are more green leaves than red. And how many more? 2 more, because I see this red leaves have a partner in green, this red leaves have a partner in green leaves, this one has a partner, and this one have a partner. But I have 2 extra green leaves that didn't have a partner or another red leaves. So what we say, I can say there are 2 more green leaves, or if I look from the red side, I can say there are 2 fewer red leaves than the green leaves. So as we say, the graph make it easy to see which one has more and also easy to compare. All right, let's see the exercise for guided practice here, page 454. Use the tally chart to make a graph with cubes. Connect cubes tree tally chart. So this is the name of the chart is cubes tree. So this is a cubes tree. So we made tree out of a cube. So this is, as you see, the green, the leaves, this is the stem, and this is the place around it. So green, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I close it with 5. So this is 5, an extra 1. The brown, I see only 2 bucks or 2 cubes, so it's going to be 2. And then for the blue, I have 4. All right, now we can use connecting cubes tree to draw the tree real graph. So let's use the connecting groups for this one. The connecting cubes, we have brown, and then we have the green, and then we have the blue. Again, if you don't have the cubes, you can always use your crayons or just use shapes. So let's see how many green we have. 6. So we have 6 greens, or we can do shapes only if you want to do shapes. So let's see, I can do green, I can make boxes. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my 6 green boxes or 6 green cubes, and you can color them green if you wish to. Then brown, again, I can use my cubes, or I can do different things. So I can do triangles if I want to. How many? 2. And then for blue, I have 4. I can use my cubes and replace each cube in one box. I need 4, or I can make different shapes, or I can color them. So now I know this is what I made blue, this is the brown, and this is the green. So it's up to you if you want to use the cubes, if you want to use crayons and color, or if you want just to make shape. So we color in the first one. We use crayons here. Here we make shapes, and here we're going to use our cubes. All right, let's go for, do you understand? Think of a sandwich made with cubes for bread, brown cubes, so white cubes is bread, brown cubes is peanut butter, and red cubes is for jelly. All right, so visualize this. This is my bread, okay? That's white cubes of bread. Brown, here's the brown. That's the peanut butter. And then the red cubes for jelly. And here's my jelly. Okay, so this is our chart. All right, how many rows would you need to graph the colors? How many rows? 1, 2, 3, because I have 3 colors. Okay, what would be in the left column? This is the left column. Look here, it has green, brown, and blue for the previous activity. But for this one, what we're gonna have? We're gonna have one of each. So we're gonna have 1, cube stand for bread, and then 1 brown stand for the peanut butter, and then have the red stand for jelly. So that's what we're gonna have, exactly like the previous activity that we see. Green, we put green, brown, and blue. So this is what we're gonna have. If I'm doing my chart, this is what the chart will look like. All right, so let's put this on a side and let's write some information up here. So let's answer the question. How many rows would you need to grab the colors? How many rows did we have? 3. So we're gonna write 3 rows. Okay, and then I'm gonna explain. The colors would be the left in the column. So what we're gonna say, the colors I used, which is a white, brown, and red, they will be on the left. So what would be in the left column? They will be the color or the colors I used. This is exactly what we're talking about. So I'm explaining this picture. So I have 3 rows, and these are the colors that I used on the left side, which are white, brown, and red. Okay, great. Let's see what we have next. Okay, page 455. All right, independent practice. Use the tally chart to make a graph with cubes. Again, we're using cubes. So what we have here, this is the name of the chart. Connecting cubes, flower, tally chart. So this is the tally chart, and this is the graph. So let's see what we have here. We have red, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I see, this is a sign. If I want to make 5, that's the 5. I make 1 mark stand for each color, so for each box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is my 5. So I have total 5. Now green, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yellow, only 1. I'm gonna make 1. And then blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So now I have 5, 3, 1, 6. Let's see what we need to do for number 4. Connecting cubes, flower, real graph. Now we have to do what we have here and break it down here. So how many I have in red? I have 5. So I'm gonna use my cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it might be quite, a little bigger than the box drawn for us, so that's why it's good to draw it or to color it. For the green, we have 3. Okay, I'm gonna put 3. 1, 2, 3. And then for the yellow, we have 1. So this is my yellow. And then the blue, we had 6. So now you know what to do it. Let's see colors to make it more fun and easy to see. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then green, we have 3 green. So 3 marks. So 1, 2, 3. And then for yellow, we have only 1. I'm gonna color 1 box in yellow. And then for blue, we have 6. So I'm gonna color 6 box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my tally chart, and this is my real graph. Okay, I took this information, this details, and I filled my chart with. Let's see number 5, spatial thinking. If you added 2 green leaves to the side of the stem, look at the picture we have here. How many blue cubes would there be? Look, first we had 6 blue, but if you replace 2 green, or you added 2 green instead of the blue, So how many blue cubes would be there? How many? Very good. We have now 4 instead of what we had before, 6. So we would be having, there would be 4 blue cubes instead of 6. So first we have the 6 here, and then we replace 2 from the side at this side, and we have the green. So now we have 4 green, 4 blue instead of 6 blue. Let's turn the page and see page 456, the next activity. All right, use the data to solve the problem below. Eric made a cube dog. As you see, this is a dog, head, body, leg. Count the white and black cubes, then make a tally to show them. So this is the chart or the cubes. I'm gonna count them, I'm gonna make my tally here. All right, so let's see. Black. So this is the connecting cubes dog tally chart. So now I have to make the chart, the tally chart, right? Let's count the cubes, the black one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, so I'm gonna say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm gonna write 6 here. Then for white, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy. All right, let's go for number 7. Now use the tally chart to make a graph with cubes. So this is, you made the chart, now we need to do the graph. So we're gonna look for black. How many we have? 6. That means I need to color 6 black. So I can just shade 6 boxes. So 1 or 6 squares, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more, 6. Okay, how many white? We have 3, so I'm not gonna shade it or color it. I'm just keep it like that. So that would be my 3 white blocks or cubes, and then these are my 6 black cubes. The connecting cubes dog real graph using my tally chart, the one I did in the previous activity. All right, number 8. Which is not true about the flowers graph? Which is not true? That means wrong information. So we're gonna see. Let's see how many we have first. I see the title says flowers. I see yellow flowers and red flowers. Let me count how many yellow flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just gonna put 6 here to remember total. And how many red flowers? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna write it here. Now I'm gonna read my question and I look for not true or wrong information. 6 yellow flowers and 3 red flowers. 6 yellow flowers and 3 yellow flowers. I counted before. I do have 6 yellows and 3 reds. So this is real. I'm looking for not true. So this is the true information. Let's go for B. More yellow flowers than red. More, yes. I see more yellow than red. So that's also true. So this is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for not true. All right, let's see. 10 flowers in all means total 10. I know 6 plus 3 are not 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. So that must be that right choice because this is not true about the flower graph. But before I go here, let me check also the last one. 3 fewer red flowers than yellow flowers. 3 fewer red. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3. So this is also a true information. So that will be the choice C. Because it says 10 flowers in all, but I know that actually it's 9 flowers. When I add 6 and 3 equals 9. All right, let's go for number 9. Journal. Draw a tally chart for the flowers graph. So this is the flowers graph, and now I need to put the tally chart. I need to do it this way. I have to put the information, and I need to put the marks. So let me start with the title. This graph talked about flowers, so I'm going to say flowers. And what colors we have? We have yellow, so I'm going to write in the first column on the left one. Sorry, I'm going to write yellow, and then the second row I have red. All right, let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna use my tally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more 6. So this is my 6. And then for the red I have 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's my 3. Okay. So that was it for today, first graders. It's really fun activities. We didn't have anything new. We just work with 2 lessons that we had in before. We did our real graphs using our tally chart. All right. Thank you, graders. Bye-bye.